Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install the ice maker. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Prior to unboxing the ice maker, measure to ensure that it will fit in the opening and that it is in a location sheltered from the elements where the front will be completely unobstructed. Follow all instructions for using a grounded electrical outlet and ensure that the floor is level and sturdy. Always reference the installation instructions for the exact guidelines around the location requirements. With the ice maker close to its final location, unbox it and remove all packaging materials. Remove any tape and glue from the ice maker before installing it. Most of the residue left from the packaging can be removed by rubbing the area with your finger, but you may need to apply some liquid dish soap for easier removal. Do not use alcohol or abrasive cleaners in removing the tape or glue, as this could harm the unit.